Ha! I click. It's time. yo. Bro, it is time, bro. One Piece episode. I don't even know, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I set it up before this, but now I started to click the record button. I forgot, bro. You guys are the greatest. Kai's Grand Fleet, stand up and salute yourself, bro. I appreciate every single one of you. The Patreon massive. Every single one of you came out and was like, yo, we're here for you, bro. Don't watch. Every single one, bro. I appreciate it, bro. I listen. I'm so hyped. I'm not even starting the video, bro. We're just gonna sit here and just do a debunk. How are you doing, bro? Is everyone good? I'm almost nervous to start this, bro. I'll be so honest. Can I start the video? Alright, let's go, bro. One Piece. Bro, listen. Let me know. Also, let me know if like the video is weird. If it sounds weird. Cause I know there's a reverb in here. I'm gonna have to get like the sheet. Gonna have to upgrade the studio to get the reverb and blah 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 blah. Yeah, I'm done. Alright, let's go. Oh my days, I haven't heard this in so long. Cheese! Back in, bro, to what, man? Hey, we're back, bro. Listen, oh my. Is this, am I, bro? This even sounds weird, bro. Japanese sounds weird in my ears. Where was it? Yeah. Oh. They clutched this, you know. By winning that fight, they clutched this whole situation, bro. I remember this. I feel like Luffy's gonna bust out of this place, bro. What? Oh! Oh, snap! Bro. Oh my day, this is it. You would knock yourself out from this. You got conscious from this, bro. Deaf or unconscious. If you're not made of rubber though, he might be okay. I hear it though. I hear where Luffy's coming from. He's doing it again? Luffy is absolutely different, bro. But I hear it. I hear where he's coming from. This is the sister. She got blown back by someone last episode. I think it was the bride. I knew it. Oh. It wasn't, bro. It wasn't. Someone? As for this woman, bro. Oh yeah, she called Brook! Brook! Brook, don't go there. What the hell is Brook gonna do? Bro, what the hell is Brook gonna do? He jumping down like a girl, you know. Okay! He's ready! Alright, bro, do not hype me up, bro. Hype me up. Brook's squaring up. Of course. Okay. Alright, bro. Do not gas me. Your mission. Yo, Brook, you're gonna hype me. Look how large this woman is, though. I was about to sing a song, but it's really not that time. You know what song I was gonna sing, bro. Shout out Drake. Brook is gonna fight her, bro. Yo! What's that? That's the same Zeus. What's a Prometheus? A sun? The hat is Napoleon. His eyes, yo, this is kind of funny, but it's kind of cold at the same time. Brook, you might get blown back, bro. Brook, she wants relations. I came back One Piece at a great time, you know. 382 million berries. Feck. Feck. That's a lot of berries, bro. I want to see this Bond guy fight. Look at this, bro. Look, he's what? How do you fight that? Did you notice he has a scar on his eye too? Did you notice that? Give me a close up with the Bond guy again. Yeah, he's got a scar in his eye as well. Special tights. Special tights. His dead friend who? Who? This is a flashback. A panda? Zeppo? Big brothers. Oh yeah, but they are family. They are family. I didn't forget that part. I've missed these Japanese words, bro. Kaizoku. Then the bone guy come through. Tamago. Bro, what the hell? Was that going? Dude, my editing, my recording skills are so rusty, bro. Look at this guy. Anime looks different now. When you take a break away from it, it looks so... Like, I appreciate the movement more. Is that how he got his cut to his eye that quickly? He's cut his eye that quickly. She's gonna be upset. This woman's like... It's the size of her, bro. Bro, yeah, it's good to cut the story off there, bro. I don't want to know what happened. Boy. See, no, this is like a kind of a rival fight. Like, there's more than didn't meet the eye with this fight, you know? He can't win, though. Pedro can't. Dishing out rolling kicks to the face. Ugh! Who did that? I think it was Luffy that did that, or was it Sanji that did that a couple episodes ago? That's only gonna end up one way, bro. Flashback. Flashback. This is One Piece, bro. We're getting a flashback straight back to that moment. I'm looking at this panda guy. And I can't help but think he has a link to the one that's in... Wow, these names. Trafalgar Reeves is group, because the one in Trafalgar Reeves is Trafalgar Reeves, and if you're new, Trafalgar Reeves is Trafalgar Law. His group is called Beppo, I think. This guy was called Zeppo. So I can't help but believe they're like brothers or something, or related somewhere down the line, bro. Or just species. She gonna make him do the dial thing. Yeah, that roulette. He's gonna get killed and the other guy's gonna lose his eye. Bruv. He died, didn't it? Did you hear that sound? 100 years of that's death, bro. He's dead. Critical hit, bro. Giga draining that. There wasn't enough for 100 years. 30. Oh, he's an animal. They're animals. What? 70. 70 years, bro. It says sunny side legs. This Tamago is kind of cool. I'm dishing out kicks. Okay, Tamago, bro. Okay. Okay. Did he use his tail? Bro, he's using his tail to fly. Ugh! This fight is cold. I like the dodges of your soul. She won't care, bro. Why? He stabbed himself. He stabbed himself. He took his own eye. Yeah, he strikes me as that type of person. He slashed out his own eye, savage mode. The dawn of the new world is coming soon. This guy gave me Zoro vibes. I said you're handsome. And he survived. Kick to the face. Pedro, this one's too far, bro. This. Yeah, so he's an old man now. Uh-oh. It's not my mum. It feels weird recording again though, man. It feels so weird.
Oh, does it, Kai?
Yeah, man.
Oh my god. What, the first one today in there?
Yeah. Like the main series is like One Piece, isn't it? Like everyone's excited, and they were asking for you to jump on a video, you know.
Who, me?
Yeah.
Really? With my hair down?
Yeah, not by your head, to see you react to something.
Oh, I see, right.
Yeah.
Of course. I'm your mother.
Mom, did you just bait out my real name over the channel?
Okay.
Alright.
Carry on recording.
Hey. Carry on recording. Hey, man. Top of that. They'll lead the world to the dawn. To the dawn one day. The dawn of the new world will come before long. I know the encyclopedia's all over this right now. Change the world. Can't do anything, bro. What do you think you are, Bong? Bong! Fighting. This guy's a real one, bro. Like his whole character is just real one. Like in the script, it just says be a real one, bro. I hear it. He broke the sword. How? Slashing, bro. Who wants extra protein? Amino acids. Okay. Holy feck, there's a lot of episodes, there's a lot of comments in this one. Alright, guys. Hey, Commentos is back, bro. We glad to be back, man. It feels so weird being back, bro. The whole energy is just different in here, bro. Like, it's intentional here. Like, Tuesday, you guys, I never really told you the story about my old place, but yeah, bro, it's weird, man. Anyway, guys, oh my days, my headphones. This is what I'm saying, bro. You're gonna have to allow me. Just turn my headphones off by accident. Okay, cool. Shout out my guys. You know the rules when it comes to Commentos, bro. If you got love, you don't want to overdose on the love. You know what I'm saying? So, If we didn't, we gotta walk around the crib. Hey, sinners, who knows, yeah? Maybe soon. It's gonna be a while, bro. So my guys that recently moved, you already know, bro. When you move house, it takes ages for it to get back to normal, you know. Bro. I sound ungrateful, but for real, it takes ages, man. It takes so long to get it back to normal. What episode is this? 816, I think. Yeah. As a canary yellow. I can't wait to see you guys' commentos reactions. Like, aye, yo, we here, bro. We here. Cinders, all I'm saying is we're gonna get a walk around soon. When it's done, I'll give you guys another walk around, bro. I don't really mind. I'm cool like that. The shades. Oh, this episode. What episode was it? No title. That's how you know, bro. When I don't put a title, bro, that's how you know it was too much for your boy at that time, bro. Oh my days. Political marriages were used to establish alliances between feudal states. In this case, the point of it being a political marriage is that it's an emperor's family, of which there are only 4 emperors of the sea, and the Phoenix family, another actual royal family that used to have land, but is advanced scientifically and uses the deployable combination of a snail castle thing to be mobile. She wants her scientific powers allied to her family's power. Not everyone can make elite clone soldiers out here. True. That's true. Good point. Vince Motes really do have a great scientific mind, and that is a great asset to add to him. Yeah, it makes sense. In a conquest mentality, point of view, it makes sense. But now that I think about it, man, I think we should say that for a theory time, but like it makes sense from Big Mom's point of view. Nah, it makes sense from both point of view. Kind of. They have 2 rulers, bro. They're just gonna merge and be one ruler. Like, they're not. Isn't there gonna be a conflict of interest eventually? Like, Big Mom's gonna be like, I want to do this, I want to do that, and Vince Mo's gonna be like, "It's no, you're not doing that. I'm doing this." You don't think? Maybe. I don't know. Maybe they discussed this on FaceTime, bro. I don't know. Who knows? Bro, the comments on this video was crazy, man. Shout out my guy Adrian Rui. Shout out Ismail. Shout out Boothdale. Shout out my guys. Double G. Already know, bro. Come on. WCI. Whole Cake Island. Sanji's peak Sanji. And it really gets into the meat of the character. Of his character. And why he's one of my favorites. But even going back to nothing happened. Even go back to nothing happened. Sanji's extremely and sometimes pathologically self-sacrificing to the extent it nearly dooms him. He has his dreams and he wants to pursue them, and with his family. But if push comes to shove, he usually values his wishes so much less than those people around him, and that he'll throw them away and let himself suffer, which is understandable. But unfortunately, it does actually. Come on, wait, what? It does actually, you know, when you're reading something, you want it to say a certain thing, and when it goes the opposite way, you don't want it to say that, so your brain starts saying the wrong thing. But unfortunately, it does actually come at the expense of not only of himself, but everyone else, right? And Luffy is the antithesis to that, in that he refuses to compromise his own dreams or ideals. But he refuses to compromise anyone else's and will go the hell and back for them. But he'll always find another way. He won't give up on himself or anyone else around him. Say no more. Shout out YG Rico. See this, bro, Adrian, the way you write, it just itches my brain. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, what? Because I know what you meant. You articulated it perfectly, but I'm like, what are you trying to say, bro? Like, Hey, bro. Oh, yeah. I forgot. I was on point on comments this day. Because I wasn't recording. That's probably why. We got a combo in here. It was me and Muggy. VA went too crazy with the Luffy shouting scene. Bro, listen, hey. You see this sentence that I highlighted, bro? Facts, bro. I don't know exactly who my Sanji is in my life. Alright, bro. Yeah, guys, as you saw in the comment, as you saw in the title screen, this is gonna be a triple. Welcome back, triple. We're not continuing with triple, but just for today, we're doing a triple episode. Let's go, bro. Look at the title screen. Hey, yo, man. Let's get into this, guys. Let's go, man. Let's go, bro. The folded arms, it helps me concentrate, bro. Can't lie. Luffy kind of loud. Let me turn this down a little bit. He's gonna injure himself, bro. That's true. He's got a point, you know. He's got a point. I'd rather lose my arms too. You got a point, bro. You have a great point. I hear it. He's gonna rip his arms off. Bro, that looking delicious right now. Yo, dog. Hey. What, did Babes cook that up for you, bro? Oh. Bro, you can put it in the fridge, bro. Guys, remember when I said, yeah, cooking is Riz royalty. Remember when I said this? Bro, listen. Put the leftovers in the fridge. So he does like her. He does like her, bro. This guy look like a Ludicolo. He didn't want the vegetable. Pause. I'm joking. Why'd she call him silly boy? What's she in the middle of? Sanji. Yes. What? It's a door, bruv. This door is funny. I'll just open it, bro. What do you mean? Just grab the side of her lip and just open it. I know you can't do that, bro. Allow me. I would try, though. I would, bro. Oh, yeah. Where's my prop, my cigar prop? I don't know where I put it. He's gonna do the Rapunzel thing? I said, if I'm good enough for you. Look at his face. Brother, be careful, bro. I don't trust it, bro. Something's going down. My Kai senses is tingling. Peeping Tom. Sanji, yo. He's still Sanji, bro. I said if she's naked. Bro, this camera angle, I don't know where I'm gonna fit this content though. Damn it, is it this way? Bro. Why? She's crying or laughing? Oh! Ugh! She was like... What? I knew she was gassing, bro. Low key. It was too perfect. But the third eye? That's kind of scary, bro. Don't do that to me. This... Especially because of my acting skills. She's twisted. This is gross, bro. Sanji, you have a demon attached to you now, dog. What? Can we please put a thinking music on that? Bro, what the hell? Third eye used for badness. You can actually use it for badness. What the heck? Oh, so she was acting. Kai's was right, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Sherlock mode. But she was acting this whole time. Alright, so what happens now then? Sanji's literally a slave, bro. Yo, dog. Luffy's got forehead, bro. Actually, she was gassing this whole time. What do you mean? I thought she was going to kill herself to fix the situation. She's a goon, bro. What did she say? What did she say? I'm not going to marry him because I'm a goon myself. The idiot who played right into my hands and fell for me. Bakawa. Will be shot dead by my own hand? Look at the eyeball. Look at this girl, bro. Ugh. I knew it though. Bro, I want to hit W's in the chat. Bro, I knew it. I just broke my own thumb. I knew it. Stay toxic, bro. I knew it. I knew it. Way too good to be true, bro. No one's perfect, bro. What do you mean? Even femininity is not perfect, bro. That's kind of scary, though. The switch up is crazy. The evil army German 66. What do you mean? Yeah, she got mashed up by him. Army of clone soldiers and was that not the plan? Like, am I missing? I'm definitely missing something. Bro, how you just... Bro, she is creepy, dog. I'll just blink her eye. So this is a takeover. Okay. Swear down, bro. This is what I came back to. Look at Sanji's eyeballs. I knew it was gonna extinguish, bro. It's raining, bro. Riddled with bullets. She gonna kill her right now? Oh, I said Nitro the Jelly just chilling. One thing I do like about the Big Mom Pirates is that their goons are like animate objects. Like this bottle would be holding the gun, smoking a cigar to your head. Like that's kind of messing up my brain right now. I had a carpet taunting you or laughing at you, bro. That's crazy. Look at this girl. The three eyes is throwing me off. Yeah, she's a goon, bro. She shot a gun before. Percussion pistol. Candy jackets. Hello? She got blasted into her skin. Bro, Razor's chilling here bleeding out, by the way. This is crazy. This is why, bro, Sanji, this is why we toxic, bro. This is why we toxic, bro, because it's why we toxic, bro, you know what I'm saying? Future. Bro, don't get me started. I'll start saying some dumb shit today, bro. Oh my, I actually can't believe this. Is he actually heartbroken? I saw it coming. Look at this girl. Oh, Sanji, dog. He gonna... Sanji going through it in the rain Bro, I can't not say nothing, bro. I can't just not pause it. I can't just sit here and it's driving me insane, bro. Can we skip to the next look? Cause bro, I know one of my guys in the chat being heartbroken before, dog. Yo, see, she's going, bro. His deepest, darkest secrets. I feel like he's gonna come kicking in this fence right now. This is why. It's crazy. This is why we toxic, bro. This is, yo, I can't. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I don't know how many of my Kai's Grand Fleet members have been through this, yeah, from Sanji's perspective, but I have, and it is so like your trust, yeah. It burns, bro, to ashes. You never trust the same ever again, bro. This is mad, bro. I've never been heartbroken, yeah, but I've found out. You see how Sanji's learning about Pudding right now? I've learned about a few people in my life too, bro. And yo, it's not. You're not even anger. It's not even an anger. It's like a self. It's like a how did I trust her? Why did I trust her? Am I foolish? Who can I trust? Why am I unable to see who's trustworthy and who's not? It's more of a self. Bro, don't get me started, bro. I would rant. People know how to fake cry. People know how to fake a lot of things, bro. Don't get me started, bro. Yo, this is making me toxic, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I'm toxic now. Oh, this is getting me. Uh-oh, I didn't know this was gonna get me like this, bro. I'm gonna relight in the rain. I can't believe it, low-key. She is the toxicest female I've ever seen in... I'm trying to light my thing in the rain, bro. Not working. Head is gone. His head is gone. This is so mad, bro. This is so mad. This is actually getting me, bro. I don't know where my shades are, you know. Alright, bro. Light it. Sanji, I beg you, light it, bro. Can you hear the music? What? Woo! Uh-oh. This might get me, bro. Who's gonna marry a failure like him? Yo. Bro, I'm feeling this in my knees, bro. Ooh, this is getting me. I'm so worried for Sanji right now. I don't know where his head is right now, bro. He's trying to light his cigar in the rain. Rain. Is he thinking about his mom, bro? I don't know where his head is right now, bro. Yo. I don't know what's happening right now, bro. This is getting me so bad. You can make so many AMV videos I've just seen, bro. Can you hear it? Fuck. Sugar. You trusted her, bro. You made food for her, bro. You put your heart in her, bro. Bam. I can't deal with this, bro. I can't deal with this, bro. Let's watch some, bro. I was gonna say let's watch some Harry Mack. What's wrong with my brain cell, bro? Let's. My head is so gone, bro. What episode was it? 816, yeah. I can't read, bro. It's growing on me. It's getting more. Fam. We still recording, yeah? Everything good? Alright, everything good. Damn, bro. Can you imagine, bro? For an Emperor General took hits. And took hits of Sanji's kicks to the face. Should really have a concussion, but what else do you do? What else is that? Bro, fight in an Emperor's army. Now, Luffy's nuts. Luffy is flipping mongoose, you know. But sometimes I think, Muggy, bro, I really think sometimes, again, Oda's trying to show us something, like, because as I get older, bro, and like obviously more and more people find out I'm a YouTuber and this type of thing in my family and whatnot, yeah. Shout out Rich Mace in the face, a real one, yeah. Don't know what this is, bro. Just fingers, bro. No gangbanging. I'm just saying, yeah. You have to have that, a little bit of that to go after what you really want from life, though. You have to be a bit crazy. You have to be a bit dumb. I call him a mongoose a lot of the time, bro. You have to be a bit of a mongoose to go, I'm not going to go for the safe option. I'm going to go for what I really, really want out of life. You have to be a bit wacky to do that. And I feel like that's Luffy's character in a nutshell, bro. I'll be so real. Bro. Yo, man. Shout out, I think this is Magician Oliver. Shout out my guy. The shades are back. Keep them see what I mean? I don't know where they are, bro. I just moved house. Where? I should know they are. But you know how far it is now, bro. Usually they're right here. It is all the way on the other side of the room. I'm not going there. Shout out, bro. Love, bro. Shades are back. Keep them close, bro. You will never know when One Piece decides to hit you with the emotions. But Oliver, don't do this to me, bro. Don't you dare. Behave yourself, bro. Relax, bro. Chill, chill, bro. Shout out Dan. Shout out my guy C7. Shout out Alex, bro. Alex, I hope you're good, bro. What you told me before, a couple weeks ago now. But I hope you're holding up well, man. Hope you're well, bro. Myself went on occasion on June the 2nd. I'm tired. I'm tired of how tired I need to keep an eye on the house. Yeah, this is what I'm saying, bro. Clean up, repair the yard. Same thing because my house is overgrown. Move it. I need to make up for myself. Pay the communal room. Distribute finances. Subscribe to Kai's TV Patreon. And I also need to think about what to do with things were left after my grant. Yeah, hey, yo, I want to update on this, Alex, bro. I need to update on this, bro, because this is a lot of work. She sold them. Wait, what? She sold them with different things. How can I sell her for now? Plus, I have to go to the police. This is up to the arse. I've already spent half of my vacation. I don't imagine what will happen when I go to work. Listen, Alex, bro, it's day by day, bro. Look, I'm gonna type this because I don't know where you are right now, yeah? Shift, enter, yeah. Bro, I'll be real. You just gotta take this day by day. I know it's dead advice, yeah, it's shit advice, but sorry for swearing to my guys, yeah. But like, you just gotta take this day by day. Like, it's going to be a mess for a while. Going for a while. You can't fix everything now, bro. You can't fix everything now. So you literally only have you, bro. Like, only have, like, you just have to keep jugging away at it, bro, because you have to. You know what I'm saying? You have to, bro. And you just gotta keep putting fix this today, do that tomorrow. Just gotta sort yourself out slowly, bro. Slowly. And I know it's gonna be gruesome, but of all people that I've known, met through YouTube, yeah, and the Kai's Grand Fleet, you're built for this, bro. I know that it doesn't sound nice for me to say that, but you're built for this, dog. Trust me. So just gotta take it day by day, bro. Only have time on your hands. Time on your side. Hopefully friends too. Friends around too to help. I mean, you know what I'm saying, bro? Yo, I hope you're good, bro. I hope you're good, my guy. I hope you're good, bro. I sent you the message just so, like, if I don't know where you are. It's been like 3 weeks, dog. So yeah, man. Boy. I'll have to hit these comments. Only 1 or 2 left. I'll hit these comments afterwards, bro. It's been a long time, bro. I don't even want to go back to this episode. I'm gonna be toxic now. Crazy, guys. Bro, I almost looked at the title screen, bro. Bro. This side, I'm supposed to be over here. I don't even know. I'm just gonna sit normally and edit like this, bro. Look at it. It's so artistic. She's roasting him for hours. Bro, relax. Nah, dog. This is crazy. She's bleeding. What are you gonna do? Heal her? This girl, yeah, is so despicable, bro. Look at her. She became so ugly so quickly. Oh, I remember now. Oh my days, I'm a beanhead, bro. I'm a mongoose, bro. Do you remember when we first saw, oh my god, that's annoying me. Remember when we first saw Big Mom and I was like, who's that girl with the third eye? It was her. Oh, I'm a beanhead. I see that. So much going on in my life at once, bro. This girl, bro. She's annoying me now, though. What did she just do? What's this? What's this? It won't take long. Bro, she's changing her HDMI cable, bro. What's happening? She removed her memories. Brother, she took out the mixtape of her memories. What? She took out the film of her brain cells. Memo fruit. Roll a film in their brain that records memories. When she got shot in the bush by her. I knew it was you. Headshot. It wasn't a headshot. Look at these memories. Other-san, you was cooking when you animated this. Slow walking. Crazy. Uselessly tough. I said edit. This girl really thinks it's DaVinci Resolve, bro. Yeah. This is a bit mad. Sanji, why did you leave the flowers there? Oh, Sanji, we toxic now, bro. You have to protect yourself, Kings. And Brook, you cannot face her one-on-one, bro. Brook, bro. I'm not sure if this is the one-on-one fight you needed, bro. Hell no. She's getting taller. Gigantamax. Is this really happening? She just get bigger. Brook! Brook got the burners! He's running! What is he doing? Hello? Brook, are you mad? She's gonna have a counter attack for you, bro. Brook! Brook, bro! She's just casually breathing hella fire, bro. Look, she's using fire lash. Yeah. You can't really get near her, bro. Brook, bro. What happens if Brook's bones break? He dies if they break. Is that a stupid question? Guys, that's a stupid question, bro. Lose Mongo's ticket for that one. What ace? Ah! I'm gonna start playing mixtape, bro. Ah! Oh yeah, Soul King. No gas. Shout out Prince and Ritz, bro. You're gonna gas me, bro. You're gonna gas me. It's working. It's working. This is gassing me. It's working, bro. Yeah, baby. It's not working. You're also a good guitar player. I want you even more. She about to procreate. What she said? Just hello. What permission? What's the word? Consent? Consensual, please. I don't care if it's a male, bro. Thunderbolt. She's just too powerful. Brook, I told you it was crazy for going one-on-one with this girl. It's 4v1 basically. Brook. This guy actually used Fire Blast, bro. It'll be added to my precious collection. Bro, she wants to. Hello? What's she about to do, dog? Hello? That's a heavy hand. He got blown. Bro, look at what's on the screen right now, bro. Her powers are having an argument. The hat is there as well. Look at... Oh! Okay, hat. That's kind of lit. I can't lie, but... Critical to the face. His face is broken. Facts. I can't lie, bro. That was kind of lit, bro. Napoleon, yo. Huh. That was kind of cold. I'm not going to lie to you. Brook, bro. That was not the one. Bro, we gotta get out of here, bro. Hey. Dun 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 dun. Dun dun. Look at his face. Put a stone. Look at Brook. Sanji's a kind man. Yeah, Brook sees the whole picture, bro. He sees the whole picture. Extremely kind. Facts. That's facts. I hear it, Brook. That's real, you know. Alright, Brook's real. Are we seeing the real Brook or not now? I don't think so. Kind of fool regards his own death as part of a plan, young lady. Okay, Brook, you gonna end the episode? It's not. Chopper's good. Well, Chopper, there's no mirrors in there though. Carrot special tickle tick. Brother, I will pass out, bro. Don't do this to me. Brule, you lost this one, bro. Can't lie. Ask the mirrors. What? They're lying. Oh, they're not. They're not. Bro, they're lying. Bro. What? Chunky. Bro, his arms are going to come off. Bro, his arms are going to come off. He knows, bro. Luffy needs to tell Sanji to be toxic. I'm busy. Just say it now. I'm not gonna betray my friend. I'm a real one. Oh crap! Once every 5 seconds. Oh snap! What? This is crazy. Who's that? That's Pedro. No, that's Jinbei. Water punch! Ooh! Hydro knuckle or something like that, you know what I'm saying? Jinbei. Blown back. Look at his stance. Aye, Jinbei. Blown back in one hit? I knocked him out with a chest punch. Crazy. That is mad. Oh my days. Bro, yes. Listen, guys, Kai's Clan, we are back, bro. This one episode got me tired, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Bro. Wait. My favorite part of this episode, this upload, yeah, was the heartbreak. The Sanji teardrop lighting the lighter in the rain, bro. He's like, oh my days, bro. I feel like, I don't know, man. I've been there, bro. And it's crazy, bro. That is so... This whole episode was crazy, bro. No, hey, yo, shout out to YG Rico. This needed to be a trio. I'm not gonna lie. To start us off on the right pace. Yo. It's empty. You know what time this is. This is Friday night, bro. You know what time it is. I'll see you in a second, bro. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys sharing the videos as well. That's so goated of the Kai's Clan, bro. But guys, see you tomorrow night. Peace, guys. Wait. Don't forget, click the like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so when I upload, it goes ping on your phone. Boom. See you next time.